Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make your video background blurred in CapCut PC. So in here, you just need to add the video that you want to edit and copy and paste the video or duplicate it like this. Okay, so on the second picture, the video on the top, you need to remove the background. So go to video and go to the remove background. And here I'm going to just use the auto removal. So just wait until the background is fully removed. Okay, so now the background is removed. Now you can just go to effects and go to the video effects and then add the blur effect that you can find under the lens category. This one's right here. Click on edit to track. Don't forget to adjust the length of the effect. Then move the effects in here like this. Now we can just adjust the intensity of the blur. I'm going to make it around 15 to make it more natural. And this is the
Don't
blurry
even consider
background
it
result.
anymore. This is the vegan recipe
So
for
guys,
you.
that's
Click the
all for
link
me.
and
Thanks for
use
watching.
me.
Comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.